This is Future Drift TV Quickie News. Today with the Deepcool Tri-Stellar Mini ITX PC case. With the Tri-Stellar chassis, Deepcool is doing a rather courageous move in reinventing the traditional PC case concept by radically splitting it into 3 thermo-isolated compartments. The tri-point star design is held together in the middle by a hollow hexa spine made of aluminium, simultaneously serving as the cable management hub. The pretty stylish LED light in the front of it is also the power button. The front accessible I/O ports are all placed onto the top compartment and consist of 2 USB 3.0, 1 HD audio out and 1 HD audio in. The same compartment can also house an external graphics card with a maximum length of up to 320mm, which is connected to the motherboard through a small Racer card. A pre-installed 90mm fan in front provides for excellent airflow. On top of things, up to 3 2.5-inch SSDs with hot plug SATA functionality can be installed here as well. The Mini ITX motherboard goes into the right-hand compartment underneath and still allows for standard CPU coolers of up to 80mm of height or a 120mm radiator. If you don't opt for a radiator, you can use this space for an additional 120mm case fan. Finally, the lower left compartment is designed for full-size ATX power supplies of up to 160mm length. Here you can also install 2 3.5-inch storage drives as well as a slim optical drive opening to the outside. The Deepcool Tri-Stellar Mini ITX case is entirely coated in black, weighs in at about 16 kg with dimensions of 395mm in length, 435mm in width and 388mm in height. All bays provide for toolless installation, while other fixture points come with convenient thumb screws. This is quite a unique case, offering surprisingly good upgrade potential despite its small form factor. Definitely a good piece of hardware to set yourself apart from the crowd and have well thought through thermal characteristics.
Gigabyte introduced their most powerful 15.6-inch flagship gaming laptop, the P25 version 2, equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GT